You've studied CISD. You've waited for the sweep. You've been patient at the level, and you're still getting stopped out right before the move. Not because you're wrong about the setup, because you're entering before confirmation actually fires. Every time price sweeps a level, only two things can happen. Either price keeps going, your stop is their fuel, or price fails to continue. Delivery shifts, that's the CISD close. That's confirmation. No CISD close, no entry. That's the entire filter. That's the moment you stop guessing and start knowing. I'll put SMCX on right now. That's the guessing you've been doing on every single confirmation candle. Which moment is actually the right one? The sweep is already marked. The failure zone is already on the chart. The CISD level is already printed before you had to decide anything. It either fires or it doesn't. There's nothing to interpret. Let me show you what this looks like. Price sweeps the high. Stops get taken. Watch. Price fails to continue. CISD fires. That's the entry. Stop behind the sweep. Target the opposing level. Same model, different market. Same rule every session. The entry isn't when you see it. It's when the market confirms it. There's a setup approaching right now. Whether you can read the CISD level before entry, or whether you're still entering on the sweep and getting stopped out. That's the only thing separating a confirmed trade from one that runs without you. SMCX puts the confirmation level on your chart. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to dive deeper into understanding the core of CISD, understanding how to align this with your perfect entries, and start to become confident and to remove all the decision making when it comes to pulling the trigger.